And then I got a little greedy and I wanted to do a bunch of things to the bike. So I also got this new fuel cap. So that's really exciting. I gunked this one up on a really botched mod. A really botched DIY that I tried to do when I first got the bike. This story involves Flex Seal. It's very stupid. And it's on my original like walk around the bike tour. So I want to replace this, both because there's garbage on it that I can't be bothered to get off, but also because it says born free. And that's just like a little funny to me on a Ducati. It feels very like, I know, it feels very Harley. So I thought that was kind of silly. So this is made in Italy and it's a quick release action. So I think that'll be really fun. So I don't have to open it up with the key. It's been a long time since I last moto vlogged, and I don't know if I know how to do it anymore. I'm assuming at this point, you know, we're on a special mission. The gas tank cover, gas can cover, gas tank, whatever, this thing down here, the one I ordered actually did fit for this bike. I just didn't realize that I had to use some elements from the existing one to help make the fit happen. I am going to do that, but I also wanted to take the opportunity to fix up the color because I don't totally love the color of that orange thing. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more gold. I had a feeling it wouldn't match anyways, but I, you know, just wanted to give it a chance. So I'm gonna go to Motofied and we're gonna powder coat that little piece hopefully, and then I figured I could also powder coat the little exhaust protecty thing on the right side of my bike. I don't remember what it's called, but I thought just adding a little bit of that muted gold there and on the tank cover doodad would look pretty snazzy. And then at that point, this bike is really far along. I've been doing a lot of beautiful updates, handlebars, mirrors. Mirrors are fantastic. Timeline of this video is a little stretched out, but I've been riding with these mirrors for a couple weeks now, and I am loving them. They are even, sorry, I'm kind of gearing up higher so my bike is quieter so you can hear me, but I mean, I guess that's all part of it. But the point is, you can see so much more in these mirrors than the stock ones. They're smaller, but they have such a bigger viewing area and they're super clear. So I've been loving that. And it feels safer to ride this bike with these mirrors, which is super cool. And they can even fold in. They cost a pretty penny. These were the lane splitter ones, and they can fold in. And honestly, it's been really nice to have that as well. Oh wow! We got the new grips, new mirrors. I'm excited to replace the cover over here. And then after that, I don't really know if I have that much more of a wish list when it comes to this bike at the moment. You know, there's some little rusty looking screws I could replace, but overall, love this bike. Oh, I suppose I might be doing something with the tank on the side here, but we'll see about that. If I do, it's just cosmetic, very simple decal. Oh shit. You know, when I saw them coming, I'm like, wonder if they need to go this way. Chaotic on Kinnikinnick. Today, oh my god, you can't turn left there, you dummy. Anywho, yeah, so we're going to Motofied. Really cool spot. You should watch the tour of Motofied I did years ago. And I know they've expanded a lot. They're a cool custom shop. They're great folks. So I'm excited to go visit them, do a little something with my bike, and then jet out, because I got a lot going on today. See you on the other side, my friends. Oh, what? Am I doing this again wrong? Jesus. There it is. Yay, gates open for me. Alright, I did get a little lost, but here we are. Greg's Refurnishing, Elements, and Motofied. Motofied. Alright. Wow.
Somehow I managed to influence my vantage point, and all the damage I did was like a new voice, new choice. Run forest, take it and I'm gone. Yeah, you know what I'm on. Yeah, you know what I'm on. Got a smile on my face, it look out of place, cause of the tracks of my tears are dried up, eyes up. I'm thinking I gotta size up to the mountain I've been climbing, trying hard and giving all my time and thoughts and space. I thought it was a waste, but then I pace and I fly. I've never been so high. I've never been so high. I've never been so high.
Okay, that's not hot anymore, yay. So I want to match this color to this color up here, which on camera might be super subtle, but this is like a much golder, warmer tone. And obviously this is very cool silver. And then it'll match the wheels as well. Amazing. So I want to pull this off. Oh yeah, a little back.
Start off with finding a color that you like.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can get a feel of it. Essentially all you're doing is you're holding, you stick your hands in there, hold this just like a pencil, like that. And then you press and hold this pedal down and it'll blast sand at it with air. Yeah. Yep. All the way down. You gotta like flip it into that thing. There you go, perfect. That's ready to powder coat for sure.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, they're so cute.
Well, and just blow them off with air and then you're done. Show you how to make it. So,
Make a little hanger for it.
yeah, this one's got a perfect hole that goes through it. Here. Grab it and then like grab right at the end of it, at the top with the pliers, and then roll it around the top of your finger.
Like somehow I have like no hand dexterity anymore. Too much computering.
So there's a thread on the inside of here, and then we don't really want powder coat to get on this because it's a very tight tolerance.
Oh yeah.
Powder coat is super thick as a material, so we'll use a bolt, and then I'll tie this around the bolt, and then we'll just tape this area.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Just so it's not going to be like a weird, like, because if I put it through here, it's going to be hard to tape around it. Let's go in the shop and find a bolt that will fit that thread. This is like why I never throw away hardware.
Yeah, you never know what you might need.
You know, even like rusty old ones, it's like
It's something.
a good thing to just keep around. So
That's smart.
that'll
And
be
also
perfect.
protect it
And then
all.
we'll just hang from here.
Oh, cute.
We can just tape around the inside of that. So we'll just have that top coated like you want it to.
Yeah, because everything else is hidden. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Alright, cool.
Yay! And he did like 5 times.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a stubborn rock star for sure.
Still consistently making really great music.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, alcohol. And I like to
Take a shot before you.
freaking bottoms up. I just like to wipe off
yeah.
the part. Make sure that it's going to be the best finish we can. And then I try to wipe where I was grabbing too. Alright. So the setup is done. All we have to do is put in the just hang them right by the end because it's going to be pretty hot. You can grab like there. Pretty safe.
Oh, it's a little hot.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is hot.
Will it kill me? Oh my god.
Yeah, hang it like right on the edge of the rack, and otherwise it's like burning your hair off.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. It's awful in the summer.
Yeah.
Pretty much just point and shoot. And that's literally all it takes. And then just flip the part around and do the back side. Yeah, looks good. And then do your little part.
Do you think this is smooth too?
Yeah, the face looks perfect.
Okay. The little parts.
And it's not gonna need much, so you're pretty much gonna just like light it up and then stop.
Like that?
A little more. Especially in the corner, like try to face it upwards, like pointing up into it. Because that little bottom corner is gonna be the hardest part. There you go. Minty. Yeah, that's perfect.
It's beautiful.
In and out. It's not as fun.
Cool. Yay. How long does it usually take?
I would say for those like 10, 15 minutes.
Okay, yeah.
And we'll be done.
Alright, this looks phenomenal. I'd say it's like ever so slightly warmer. Ever so slightly warmer than the wheelbase, but it'll be further away over here, and I think it'll look really nice. I think that's really good, because this is about as close as we could get without probably special ordering something. This will have to wait for later. All right, welcome back to this Odyssey. Just powder coated this a little while ago and love the results. After YouTubing and emailing the manufacturer and then realizing that all my questions were answered online, I found out that this is in fact compatible with my bike. We just have to reuse a part that comes with the stock bike. So we're gonna do that today. Oh, did you hear that suction? This will be easy. Yeah, so this is the part we reuse. Should be simple. Nice. Okay, so this guy's coming off. Boop. That's the right one. Yeah. Okay, cool. Ah. Oh no. So I reckon we need to take this whole black part and the green rubber stopper, take these screws out, and then put this onto the new one. That is all. That's all for now. I mean, that's my assumption. Seems fair. Oh yeah, and then these screws match up with those, I think. Well, one way to find out. Maybe the key. No. Oh. Got it. Cool. This piece we don't need. This guy goes on here. Oh my god. It really works. Ugh, that's gonna look so good.
Yeah, it is.
We saw that the direction of this, for it to be straight, will ultimately be for this to be in this orientation. Kind of wish these screws were black. That would be nice. And I need a Allen. That all I have is a Dan. Yeah, they say place the spacers. So what you're doing is right. We get everything on there. Then we remove the screws. It says in the directions, remove the screws. Yeah, so we put everything on, secure it here, then the spacers don't move because of these guys. Then we remove the screws. So long as it's on there enough that they won't fall off. And this guy goes to the right.
Done.
You can't just set it down and they'll get pushed out of place?
No, because they spin. And if they spin the wrong direction, then they get caught sideways.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That's annoying.
Well, that's insane because they move.
Yeah. Now they come out and leave their spacers.
The spacer is moving underneath there.
Jesus Christ.
Let's just follow the directions and do it. I mean, that's insane that they have us do this. They don't tell you. You gotta
Play this game.
find the tighten and untighten and tighten and untighten and tighten and untighten until you get these tighten and these untighten, so it stays.
Yeah, it's too bad that the spacers couldn't be like magnetic.
That's what
On
I'm
the
saying,
bottom.
is like they could have helped you.
Wow, that's gonna be so cute.
It better be.
Nothing to fall into the void anymore.
Wow, you did it. Nice job.
I did the whole thing all by myself. Ah, holy shit. Okay, moment of truth. I guess I'll be usually sitting on a bike. Pew. That's so cool. Wow, that's nice. That's gonna save me so much time. So much time at the gas station. Imagine all the time I'll save.